After struggling to get this channel up and running,
I made a bold decision. I'm diving into dropshipping. Why? Because in 2025, it's one of the best businesses to start. And it's the easiest opportunity to get into with virtually no barriers to entry.
seriously,
You don't need a ton of cash to start.
I can't eat! I'm broke, nigga! I'm broke! And you got the power to change that, Kev. Nobody else. You.
And here's the kicker. Guys like Jordan Wealth, Iman Gadzhi, Luke Bellman, and even Shaq have used dropshipping to make millions. Heck, even Trump probably dropships his ties. Though, don't quote me on that. In any case, I decided to give it a shot and collect those millions. But here's the thing. This isn't the first time I've tried dropshipping. I failed before. You see, in the past I sold yoga pants, Pokemon gadgets, and baseball caps of a deceased baseball player. Yeah. That's probably a bad idea. All of those were failures. I made little to no sales and even lost money on domains, ads, and platforms memberships. So why do I think this time will work? Because this time is different. I've grown, I've gained experience, and not only that, I've been on YouTube for 60 days now. I know how to navigate the streets of YouTube, or at least I think so. But I need a plan. I need ideas. I need to find a product. So after long hours of scrolling, guess what?
I found nothing.
But here's where it gets interesting. On my last trip to Vegas,
Las Vegas, the city where fortunes are made and dreams come to die. For me, it was neither. Las Vegas was my breaking point, the place where I made the boldest decision of my life. I quit my job, no backup plan, no second chances.
on my last trip to Vegas for the Canelo fight, I bought a souvenir. It kept me busy on the plane, and that's when it hit me. This could be the product I've been looking for. Now it's time to build my business. Step 1 of the plan, get 20 products names from ChatGPT. Step 2, create a logo. Now for this you might need to be a paying customer like me, but ChatGPT 4 Mini can do it for you. Pro tip, don't use words or letters in your logo. Stick to an avatar or an abstract image. Next, we head to Canva to design the banner, and here we are almost at the final step.
But hold on.
Zoot, I forgot something. The product, let's order it. Okay, now that the product is ordered,
Now is the waiting game.
a few days later, the product finally arrives. It looks good. Success. Wait, not so fast. It's time to film. So I shot a long form video, and guess what? I'm going to turn it into a bunch of shorts so I can start building my audience. Here's the plan. If I get impressions, those turn into views, which turn into add to cart, which will hopefully turn into sales. Now time for the best part. Editing. I import my footage, add effects, text, music, and sounds. We're almost there.
Success.
Now we're ready to upload. But wait, I need the best tool for this. vidIQ is the tool you need. It helps me copy paste the title, description, and tags, and make sure I have the best keywords to rank high in the YouTube algorithm. Hold on, I think I forgot something else. How am I going to collect payments and actually sell the product? I need an e-commerce site. You can go with WordPress plus WooCommerce, Buy Me a Coffee, or Shopify. Speaking of Buy Me a Coffee, if you're enjoying this content, feel free to buy me a coffee. Link in the description. But if you're too broke, don't worry, just subscribe.
It's free.
It's free. Psst, just subscribe. It's free. I went with Shopify because they're offering a 1-month plan for only $1. If it doesn't work for me, I'll scrap the site. After signing up and entering my account information, I'm ready to design my e-commerce website. Pro tip: want to design your site in under 15 minutes? Get this theme. It's super simple. Download it and install it on Shopify. Customize it, upload your logo, tweak a few things, and voila, your store is ready. And the best part, I'll have it available for just $7 in the description below, and you'll own it forever. This is the best theme to start your Shopify journey today. Also, don't forget to set up your personal information, business info, shipping, taxes, and all the good stuff. And now we're ready to make some cash. At the time of the recording of this video, I don't have much of a result to show you yet, but if you want to find out, hit that notification bell and stay tuned for part 2. I've created a free playlist on my YouTube channel for you to follow along with my journey. And by the way, I made a free guide, 5 steps to create your own dropshipping business PDF. Just comment guide below and I'll send it to you. It has all the resources I use to create my dropshipping business. This is Hustle Money. Until next time, stay blessed.
Go ahead and watch my next video.